Best grip for better drawing. How you hold a pencil to draw. It is also important to know about the position of the pencil during sketching. Why it is important? 1. Different grips offer you more scope to draw in different ways. 2. Enable you to move your pencil in different ways. 3. Offer you the scope to draw more effectively in different ways. 4 different ways to hold your pencil grip or position. 1. Writing grip. 2. Under palm grip. 3. Paintbrush grip. 4. Knife grip. Now we will see them in detail. First one is writing grip. This one is very essentially grip that we learned when very young, and we learn how to write, which grip tend to focus on better control over the formation of letters. This grip used for take a first copy with sharp point and fine lines, simple sketching and shading, improving control over the tip of the pencil and drawing very precisely. This grip limiting the stroke length and gestural drawing. Second one is under palm grip. We will need a certain amount of to be able to work in the under palm grip. It results in more forceful sketching and shading of objects, which cover maximum during sketching for filling and leaves heavy and dark effect. This grip used for drawing large sheet of paper, filling large areas with drawing medium very quickly, using the whole arm all the time when you hold this grip, drawing vertically at an easel and easily. Third one is paintbrush grip. This grip similar manner to holding a paintbrush, which can produce light and delicate marks. Also great for visual comparison on the surface and laying out the composition. fourth one is knife grip. It brings out the real force of the stroke on the paper. It is a much more aggressive way of drawing while doing nature study and object drawing. This technique can produce exceptional results for us. So 4 grips are there, but generally we use 2 grips for sketching and shading. 1. Writing grip. 2. Under palm grip. We really hope you enjoy this video and learn something from it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in next one.